No company can succeed without enough workers. My name is Alexander Ko, and I'll be presenting a project about convincing more students to work part-time at our company. This is a very relevant project because our company is in current need of a lot of new workers, which we hope to get from the high school and college level students around the area. I'm in charge of this project because I've experienced being a student and a part-time worker at the same time. So I'm well aware of the common fear in that group that doing both at the same time would be unmanageable. I also know that many students without part-time jobs want to get part-time jobs, but are afraid to do so because they don't want to have their grades go down. In this briefing, I will cover the project, the problems that we encountered while working on it, and the solutions that we came up with in order to solve those problems. Let me first tell you a bit about this project. The goal of this project was to publish a paper in local school newspapers at both the high school and college level, which would detail a study which would follow multiple employees who were currently students at our company to see whether they could manage their time well. The study would show, or should have showed, that the students working at our company would be able to manage their time and succeed at both work and school at the same time. This was a necessary project because our company, as I mentioned earlier, is in dire need of new employees, which we hope to get from the college and high school students. This project was made possible by the funds that we had, which allowed us to enact our study, as well as send out a survey around the area, asking students if they wanted part-time jobs, to which the answer was a resounding yes. Because of that yes, we also know that there's an audience for this paper. However, during the study, we ran into a problem. The students in the study ended up tired from the combination of work in the workplace and from school. As a result, their grades and their work efficiency both decreased, leading to us not having a satisfactory result. Because of this setback, and because the school newspapers only are published once every month, this would mean that we would have to wait to publish our results. Therefore, we would have to wait an entire month to publish them in the next issue of the school newspaper. And that means that we would have less hires over that time period. While this sounds like a huge problem, we tried to alleviate these somewhat, and we managed to come up with a good solution. The solution I came up with will solve both the problem itself and the consequences that happened. Firstly, I decided to lower the working hours, which showed a marked improvement in grades back to normal levels for the students in the study. In addition, we decided to forego using school newspapers as a medium for our paper and instead decided to publish our findings over social media, which is much more commonly used by students, as well as the fact that we could publish our results immediately, meaning that we didn't have much of a time setback. Let me now lead to my conclusion. I've now finished covering up the project, the mishaps we ran into, and the solutions. In summary, we wanted to publish a study in a school newspaper to show students that working at a job and school at the same time was feasible in order to get them to sign up for work at our company. However, the students on our site ended up getting very tired, and as a result, we had to delay the publication of our findings. Luckily, I came up with a solution to both lower the working hours as well as solve the consequence of the time setback by instead announcing our results over social media. Now that we can get more workers, this means our company is now on the road to further success.